Okay, we're looking at the radar. This is the relative velocity. You can see the green couplets and the red couplet right next to each other? That's your circulation. Kind of noticed they put the tornado warning up after it went away, but it's coming down out of Wisconsin. There's the Lake County line. We're about right here, so it went to our south, just to our south.
If you guys want, you can check your banners.
And now it's kind of fizzled away here. I'll have to wait for another radar update. But yeah, there was pretty clear indication based on the relative storm velocity. That green and red couplet there, that's circulation. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, right now the sirens just went off, but we are under a tornado warning. According to the radar, I was just looking at it. There's an area of circulation in western Lake County, which puts it right about here. But I don't see anything. The sky's kind of dark. And it's green. Oh no, that's a tree. Out there looks pretty intense. Stupid camera can't pick up a whole lot. I don't know if you can see the difference in the clouds or not. That looks like a... See that line across there? I don't know if that's a wall cloud or a ceiling cloud or a basement cloud. I don't know, but it looks kind of weird. Looks kind of weird. But I don't see the clouds spinning. I don't see Dorothy or Annie M or anything like that. But we'll keep an eye on it.